loss of memory. Is there anything worse than when you can't think of the what do you call it? The thing you say. What do you call the thing? The word. That's it. The word. Anyway, it can be very upsetting. It's just like, what's it like now? It's well, what was I saying there? Well, if ever you need a sympathetic, thing, mate, you just telephone us on Wednesday.
Ladies, why not send off for this beautiful pendant, a shimmering stone set in 22-karat gold, for the man in your life? Write to Workman's Bottom Offer, P.O. Box, Northampton.
Well, I was 28 stone, but then I went on this diet and I lost 18 stone in a year. But over the past 4 weeks, I've put 6 stone back on again. It's not my fault. It's glandular. I've got this gland that makes me a greedy bastard.
Let's have a Kaylee, come with me, dance to the music, merry, merry music, come, let us make the rafters ring, let's have a real old Highland fling, swing your sporrans in the air, twist your partner by the hair, get her on the floor and then lift her up and start again. Let's have a Kaylee, come with me, dance to the music, merry, merry music, come, let us make the rafters ring, let's have a real old Highland fling.
Spend this Hogmanay in the company of old friends.
As you...
Well, speaking totally sensationally as an impartial journalist, can I just say thank you, Mr. Chairman? David? Of course I'll be coming to your 50th birthday party. Okay, cheers. Bye. You put the phone down. No, you first. No, you. Bye.
As our good run gets longer and longer, Livy's lion gets stronger and stronger. The future's bright, it's psychedelic. Just a pity the chairman supports a Celic.
No, listen, I mean it. I really do. The Amsterdam Arena is an incredible place to play. It really is. When we started our game against Ajax, the roof was closed. 10 minutes later, there was nothing there at all. A bunch of our supporters had climbed up and nicked all the lead.
This is it, brave hearts. Croatia at Hampden. Win or bust, our big chance to make the finals. The hopes and dreams of all Scotia rest upon us. Grab the opportunity. Carpe diem. Seize the day. So, I want you to line up in this formation. 4 here, 5 here, and Scott Booth. Don't you forget to track back.
Oh, proud, very proud to have been asked by the SFA to help choose the next Scotland manager. It's not a decision to be taken lightly, and I can assure the Tartan Army that I'm giving it the care and attention it deserves. Now, where's my shortlist? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo.
Good evening. There you go. All right? Hey. Scott Wilson come up to me the other day. He said, Gaffer, what about all these transfer rumours? I said to him, player-wise, no, it's not true. I'm not signing Ronald de Boer's twin, Frank. I'm not signing Shota Valenci's twin, Archel. And I'm not signing Bert Conterman's twin, Stevie Wonder.
Big Lorenzo was fined £260 for speeding. He asked me how much that was in liras. I says, I think it's about 2.5 gallons.
So just to remind you, there will be full Champions League commentary on Radio Scotland, although you'd be mad to listen to that when Scottish television are showing it on the telly.
So who will it be, Celtic or Juventus? It's a mite drafty up here in the Stadio del Alpi. I'm glad I dug out that old St Mirren muffler. Score stands at 2 apiece. 2 remarkable, wonderful goals and a couple for Celtic.
Well, Archie, the turning point was the red card for Edgar Davids.
Oh, no, Billy, I can't agree with you there. The turning point was the Edgar Davids red card. A totally vindictive, unjust treatment of a man with glasses. You may have it. Trezeguet, Del Piero, he's no Baggio. Neil Lennon, he's no Del Piero. Egat, Valcheren, Amoruso, a fine name for a footballer of Italian stock, and penalty!
Well, that seemed harsh, Archie. I can only presume the ref saw something that we didn't.
Well, speak for yourself, Billy Stark. That was clearly, definitely, unequivocally a penalty. Whatever it was for, Amoruso steps up and whoop! Justice is done! Forza Juve! She may be an old lady, but she's made an old man very happy tonight. Oh!
Don't do that. How? Just... God, you know.
Give me the coats.
Never.
Then you will die.
I'm sorry, can you cut just for me, please? I'm
Yeah,
sorry.
sure. Cut. No problem, Bobby.
So I spit at him here, right, and he grabs me. I don't know if you agree, I just don't think the general is a bit of a coward. I don't think he would jump at me. I think he would delegate that to somebody else.
Okay. Excuse me, fella. What's your name?
Me?
Yeah.
I'm Ronald Williams.
Right.
What do you come in from?
This is Bobby.
Oh, yes. Just, I know who you are, aye.
Now, Ronald, you just pay attention here. Bobby Spitz at Schmidt's, yeah?
Oh, well, that's easy enough for you to remember, eh? Spitz at Schmitz. See, that's how I like to try and remember things as well. That's good.
Right, then you slap him.
Right.
The general will tell you to take him away and kill him, and you say...
Right. Oh, no, I'm ahead of you there. I know what I'm saying. I'm saying, Javol, Herr General.
That's good, yeah. Javol.
Oh, wait, you want to be a why?
Javol.
Right, OK. Javol. Oh, that must be the right way of doing it. I like him, he knows his stuff. You've heard him before, right? It's very good, isn't it? Well, I have to slap you, know, I can't believe it. When my sister finds out about this, she'll go for that. What did you do this afternoon, Ronald? Oh, I slapped Bobby Carlyle. I made you want to slap you before. Aye, that Plunkett McLean. $3.50 to rent that pish. Oh, nothing, no.
And...
Oh, it's just nervous, really, you know what I mean? Let another one go there, I know I'm rotten, so...
Action! Give me the codes. Never. Wrong. I'm sorry.
Was that a mistake?
Okay, look, just take it easy, right? Look, Ronald, please, wait for the spit before you slap.
Right, okay.
Okay?
Wait for the spit before I...
Spit, slap, general says take him away, blah, 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 and you go.
Right, and then I go. With Bobby.
Yes! Jesus!
Well, you could have made that clearer. You're actually coming with me, I take you out. Right.
And... action. Give me the codes. Never. Then you will die.
Jawohl, Herr General.
Look, Ronald, you're awful nervous. We're going to leave the spit and the slap.
I don't realise what I'm doing wrong. I don't know what I'm doing.
We'll pick that up later. Just go from your line. Jawohl, Herr General.
Jawohl, Herr General. Right outside your numpty. Right, we'll have to do that again, Bobby. Somebody get an arse it.
Oh, has Santa been?
James, can I take this blindfold off? It's as black as a coal miner's chemise.
Patience, Gary. This is my wee nerd day treat for you. Now stop and sniff.
Oh, the Glasgow air is rare. You can't compare.
Now, behold!
The heat bummer on the big horsey.
Yon muckle galoot, the Duke of Wellington, and Gary, I've a mission for you. The bestowing of the Banter Crown.
Oh, the chance to don the traffic cone in the big daft chap's napper. It'll be like ascending to Banter Heaven. Oh.
Banter Nirvana, Banter Valhalla.
Oh, the gold at the end of the Banter rainbow. Give me a punchy.
Avec plaisir, mon ami. Oh, mount that cuddy.
On the buffs. Oh, James McCone.
Morning, gents.
Murder policeman, it's the police.
I hope you weren't thinking of putting that cone in that statue's head. Because if you were, you'd be spending your nerd day in a tiny cell packed full of hairy-ass Glasgow hard men.
Is that the big hoose with the wee windows? Guilty as charged, officer.
Oh, cap us up and take us to the Bar Hell Banter.
So, when we look at rhodium, we can see that it's a metal as well as a gas. Now, can anyone tell me how that can be? You're laughing at me, you little bastards! What are you looking at, you arsehole? You're all just... Right. That's enough of that.
Hi there, I'm Phil Finlay, and I say get on down to Finlay's for some sensational savings on shitey, shiny, click-together plastic flooring. No glue, no nails, no nothing. It's shitey, it's shiny, and clicks together in seconds. None of the hassle of normal wood panel flooring, and none of the style either. Just prime shitey-ish chipboard, glossed up, shipped out, and ready for you to click together. And the mess just wipes up. Red wine, coffee, sick. Dog poo. He made the right choice, and for that special occasion, why not buy a carpet to stick ere the champion? Visit Phil's itchy, scratchy carpet store, just round the corner from Finlay's Flooring Emporium.
I must say you get a fine lay at Finlay.
Hello there, sweetheart. Need a hand with anything?
Hi, I'm looking for a new toaster.
Uh-huh, sweetheart. And is your son with you?
No, I'm on my own.
Afternoon there, doll. Couldn't help overhearing their doll. You want a toaster, is it, Mrs.?
Gibb.
I don't feel right calling you Mrs. Gibb. That makes you sound awfully old, Mrs. Gibb. We're all pals here together, Mrs. Gibb.
What's your first name, Mrs. Gibb?
Oh, it's Helen.
Right, Hel, so it's a toast-making facility you're after?
Aye, well, I had an old Norwood there and had it for nigh on 40 years, and well, that's it turned on me. Put 2 scones in it last week. I'll no see them again.
Well, that's a Norwood for you, Heldo.
They're always had trouble with the Scottish scone wits, Hell and back.
So, how can we help Jerry Helmet?
It's just a replacement.
Well, let's see, Hell in a handcart. Is it a standalone toaster you're after?
Huh?
Well, you wanting WAP capabilities?
You needing C5?
You into web shopping?
No, I just do toast and scones and occasional crumpet.
Ah, well, we've got a package for you, Helter Skelter.
Absolutely, skelly skanky skeletal. What a package!
Handheld remote control.
MP3 attachment.
Recordable mini disc.
Laptop.
And monitor.
Fulfills all your toast-making needs. Highway to Helen.
Total peace of mind, Helen of Troy.
Take all that to the cash desk. Hell's bells.
They'll sort you out, smelly Helly with your big fat belly.
Excuse me, I was after a toaster.
Are you in with your son?
Yes.
Aisle 6 for the toaster's petal.
Oh,
Oh, lads. It's a boring, walking around a boring forest.
Least, well, I say, secret stash of scud books.
Oh, the scud books. Edgy, a gamekeeper.
Hola, Galashy, how's it going, boy?
Boy, you're a big un. Aye, Valashy Billy Connolly.
Aye, very same. He shot my estate, my mansion are there, and can live it here, Valasha really do.
Big banana feet. Well, that's your job, eh? What are you doing here, BC?
A garden party. Golashi big posh royal pals, Erkaferge, brilliant.
Big, is it okay to walk in the woods?
Any danger. Oh, it's the magic Billy Connolly. Valashi, watch the birdie. Take my phone, you bastard. Come Bastards.
Now, love. There you are. Man, is that okay? All right. See you later. Next, please. Lads, is your wife called Pat? No. As in Pat Butcher?
Okay, well then. Have you got a pal called Tonto?
No. How?
'Cause you're the Lone Ranger.
Okay, well then, are you Buffy, the vampire slayer?
Nope.
Because this place is full of steaks, man.
Right, come on. Out.
Okay, Bill then. Are you Chinese?
No. How?
'Cause everywhere you look in here, it's chops.
Right, come on, get to... Yes, love.
Are you the Parno King?
No, how?
'Cause you're always getting it tongue.
Next. Oh, up with me. No, I'm Pericomo 151.
No, this is the only one we've got. The rest are all broken.
Song, song, blue, everybody knows one. Song, song, blue, every garden grows one.
Right, Kenny, you know why we're here?
No.
Don't get wide.
No.
Aye, we're no leaving without it. Give us the money now. Give me the money now. What? Give me the money now.
That's the way you're saying it.
I never said it like that.
Aye, you did.
Shut up and give me the money.
Give me the money. And you said it again like that.
I don't talk like that.
Aye, you do.
No. You there, Pat?
Well, that's magic, isn't it, eh? It's a score with you.
Well, at least I'm not standing there talking a stupid voice.
I'm not talking in a stupid voice. Shut up or I'll put your balls. Shut up or I'll put your balls. Shut up or I'll put your balls.
Hello there. That's a lovely dress you're wearing. What's your name?
Emily?
Emily. That's a lovely name. So was Santa good to you, Emily? Did he get you that lovely dress?
No, he got me a Barbie barbecue set and a bike.
Oh, that's lovely, Emily. So that'll be you pals with Santa now, eh? Now that he got you all those lovely presents, hmm? Come here, Emily. See, the truth is, Santa doesn't really exist. He's just somebody that your dad made up. So you've no call being pals with Santa. But
I've got this lovely individual fruit rifle, and I do exist. So, if I give this to you, then you can be my pal, and you can come round here and you can help yourself to jubilees and comics, and you can even have an individual wee cheesecake if you want as well. And that's not just at Christmas, Emily. That's every day. What do you say to that, eh?
Emily, step away from the psycho lady.
I'm the psycho, eh? I'm the psycho. Well, let me tell you something. There's no Santa. It's a fantasy. No, I'll be here. Day after day after day.
Here's a good one. Shortbread on the table, 2 cans of sweetheart stout.
Wee bits of cheese on cocktail sticks on plates and all laid out.
Waiting for the countdown, listening for the bell. And then your arsehole neighbours all trooping.
And you want to kill yourself, life's no worth living. You want to kill yourself.
Maguire's in, Anderson's in, Devlin's in. Where's Kenny Mitchell's money?
We don't get it.
How no?
Well...
Oh, don't tell me. He wasn't in?
No, he was in.
So where's the money?
Oh, I said, Kenny, give me the money.
That voice?
That voice.
He's it again.
Give me the money.
Oh, there you are.
Give me the money.
See, that is the way you're saying it, isn't it?
Shut up, Dick. Shut up, Dick. Jill, listen to this. Give me the money.
What?
Anything wrong with that?
No.
There you are. Thank you, Jill.
You're welcome.
What do you want for your lunch?
Fish and chips.
I'll have pie and beans.
Beans and chips and chips.
What?
That's a cracking word, isn't it?
What is? Means no a word, you diddy. It means and.
I know that, but it's quicker to say than and, isn't it?
That's a cracker right enough. Wash and go.
Rock and roll.
Park and ride.
Cheese and onion.
Salt and vinegar.
Shouting and bawling.
Pissing and farting.
Big hairy walloper. Bossa.
Too far.
Now you know what it feels like, eh? Want a goldfish?
I'm now leaving this world and entering into the domain of the spirits. I'm getting the name Rose, and she's looking for Betty.
That's me, son. I'm Betty. Aye, put Rose on.
Rose does not want to speak to you.
That'll be because she's not getting her oats. What was I, a crabbit bugger, when she wasn't getting her end away?
Rose is speaking of a Danny and saying that you and Danny disappeared into a toilet on the Waverley steamer. Rose wants to know if you had a romantic liaison with Danny.
No, son, no. We were humping. Aye, some boy, that Danny. And they say the Waverley had a big funnel. Last Stern took a pound in that day, I can tell you.
I'm now sensing a spirit called Charlie. Anyone know a Charlie?
Oh, here I'm popular the day. Charlie was my husband, son.
Charlie wants to know if you looked after his War medals.
Charlie's War medals. No, upon them.
Charlie requires an explanation.
Well, they were gathering dust on top of the wireless, you know. To be honest with you, they were a bit of a passion colour. See, I'd bring some new fella home and I'd be all ready for him, and then he'd see Charlie's War medals and he'd go all that droopy, guilty way, you know, so I just ended up taking the medals down the pond, and Rose and I went out one day and got totally gassed. But Rose back on, she'll remember it. Maybe that was some day that was. We ended up in a caravan in Troon with 14 sailors.
Charlie is expressing great discontentment.
Well, that's tough. I mean, the medals were dusty, Charlie was dead, and I was needing a jump.
Right, Teddy, don't act the way, though. Give it the money and none of your piss.
Right, aye. No danger.
Unbelievable.
Here, laddies, get your whiskey.
That'll put hair in your sparring.
Ach, Morag, your bonny wee face is nae so bonny the day.
Ach, Archie, I'm just missing somebody.
Mitty! It's Zach Roberts! Howdy, fellas. What's shaking the news?
Elvis has landed in Scotland, with Montgomery Doohan as Hamish McPhee and Barbara Bell Gertrude as Morak McPhee. It's Elvis in Scotland in Hootsy Coochie.
That music's real neat, Archie, but it don't move me. Why don't you try it like this? Take my heather to the honey. Take my heather to the honey. Who needs kittens and who needs money? When you're in the heather with my honey. Take it, fellas. You're beautiful, Archie. Sweet.
Zach Roberts is a rock and roll car mechanic posted to the sleepy Scotch town of Cloughnamitten.
So, Zach Roberts, how do you like the Scottish scenery?
Gee, Morag, it's real broad. There's something about sitting with you on the shores of Loch Ness. Well, it brings out the monster in me.
Look out, Zach. Not all the locals are so friendly.
Zach Roberts, take your lids off, my wee lassie.
Feather.
Sir, let me explain.
Oh, you're wished. You may footer with my tractors all you want, but you will never with your dirty hands taint my wee Morag again. You've done it now, Zach Roberts, for it's a stretch your day in Killycronky jail. What do you say to that?
Wham bam, okey dokey, what the hell, a boogie in the pokey. Come on, everybody, let's boogie in the jail.
Come on, everybody, let's boogie in the jail.
Come on, everybody, let's boogie in the jail.
You and me and that as well.
Scotland has a king again. Elvis Presley is Zach Roberts in Hootsy Coochie.
And a happy new year to all our viewers on this first news bulletin of 2002. Interpreting for the Neds this morning, Rab McGlinchey.
All right, Trips. My head's bursting here, man. What am I doing up? Of all the New Year's Days, got to have the newest news of all, man. Shoot.
Members of the Early Dip Club in Aberdeenshire celebrated the first day of the new year in traditional style. The hardy band of adventurers went for a 6 a.m. swim in the freezing cold waters of the River Pfeffer.
Makes you wonder, doesn't it, man? Buffy's running about going la-la in the water, man. I'm sorry, folks, man. I need a hair of dug. I'm choking here. You keep reading the news and I'll keep swallowing.
The first baby of the new year arrived at 1 minute past midnight at the Franklin Hospital in Glenrothes. Proud parents Chantel McGuffey and Gary Hughes christened the child Marilyn after the entertainer and sex symbol of the same name, Marilyn Manson.
Cow shit for brains, man. Don't talk to me about wens, man. I've just discovered I'm going to be a grandfather for the 4th time. That Lamala mine's a randy wee bastard, man. Takes after his fair.
And finally, the big quit began today as all over Scotland, men and women look towards a new 2002 by giving up tobacco and alcohol, aiming to face the new year fit, healthy and happy.
My boys, man. You might have seen him on a Friday night, by the way. Pissed out his tights, chasing Fanny and snorting all sorts. Here, listen to me. Wrap all that fitness piss, right? Do you realise how much bevy you can buy if you stop paying your subscription to the gym? Fill your boots, man. Happy New Year. Here's to your bad health. Get up, you.
Good morning.
Honey, what's wrong? You look terrible.
There'll be no Christmas this year. I'm laid off.
Why?
I don't know, my age, my skills. Guess I'm just superfluous.
Superfluous!
You're nearly finished there.
Aye, I'm nearly done, Jack.
I'll tell you something, Peter. This park has not changed one wee tiny bit since me and Victor were wee boys, you know.
Aye, aye. A lot of fun we had down here, eh?
Yeah, we did, aye.
Big, long summers.
We used to hear all the way down from that place up there, that picture house, after we'd seen a flick. What's the name of that place again?
The old ABC.
Oh, the ABC, aye. 'Cause every Saturday we line up to watch the movies that we love to shout and see.
Of course, it's away now.
Aye, it's away now. It's a bingo now. Aye. We used to come down here and race the boats.
You see, Peter, my father, you know, used to work in the shipyards, and whatever they were making at the time, he used to make a wee miniature one for me, you know.
That's right, aye. What was that one you used to always win with?
Oh, the Valiant Victor. What was yours cried again?
Prince of Tides, the Jolly Jack.
Oh, the Jolly Jack, eh? Great racing days, aye, aye.
Aye.
Now, you see, Peter, never mind your electronical boats with a wee remote controls. The joy is in a horn-built boat.
Aye. You just put it on the water, wait for a gust of wind, and away you go.
What a sight, eh? And your heart, it swells up, you know.
It's almost like being on the boat yourself, isn't it?
Aye. I named this boat Pete's Fancy. There we are.
Here you are. We were going to build you a kite and all, you wee ingrate bastard.
Taxi for Mulligan, mate.
Caroline Mulligan. Through the double doors, up one flight of stairs, take a left, right along that corridor, then you'll hit an office. Right through the office, double doors, ladies and gents toilets, through there, office on the right, can't miss it, big window. Well, we've chose a cracking place to hide out this week, isn't that right, Alistair?
Indeed we have, Rory. McKelvey's Bothy, where William McKelvey and Jake Buchan took shelter from the Redcoats.
And just like Butch Cassidy and the Sundance Kids, Jake and William held strong against the bad guys. You know, you can still see the cannon blast holes from the Redcoats' onslaught. Look at that.
And they're big enough for our heads.
Now, we're not as brave as the sheep stealers of yore, but you can still sense the sort of...
I can hear something.
I can see them.
Come back!
You come off, Annie!
We're phoning the police. Look at your mobile.
No, I left it in the van.